Hey friends, welcome back to our channel, the best place where you can learn about various technologies. My name is Sushil and today I am going to explain how to take remote desktop of any computer or device using Chrome Remote Desktop. Before we proceed, if you are yet to subscribe channel, take a second and hit this subscribe button. Open your Chrome browser. You can use Internet Explorer or Firefox to download Chrome browser. Now we are just going to enable turn on sync option. It is very necessary to enable this option. Now sign in with your Gmail account or phone number. Let's sign in. After signing in, it will ask you to turn on sync. I am clicking here. Yes, I am in. Next, you are going to search Chrome Web Store. Open Chrome Web Store and here we are going to search Chrome Remote Desktop. Now we need to click Add to Chrome. It will ask you to add the extension and we are going to click Add Extension. Once you have added the extension, Remote Desktop icon is going to come up on the top right hand corner. Click this icon. It will take you to the page Chrome Remote Desktop. Now click on Access My Computer and scroll down to Setup Remote Access. Click Download button. Once the download get complete, click Accept and Install and then select Yes to install. After installation completes, you can choose any name for your device or leave as it is. Next, you have to choose a pin with at least 6 numbers and click Start. Once the device fully set up, you will see it online. So again, it's very important to do the same setup procedure that you did on this first computer to every other computer you want to enable for Chrome Remote Desktop. Now we are done with the setup procedure and we are ready to take remote desktop of any device. Here I am selecting the top entry, that is Sushil Home PC. Enter 6-digit pin here. So this is my home computer. Now I can able to manage this computer remotely without any assistance. Chrome Remote Desktop can be very useful. You can remotely check your personal computer or business computer or any of your personal devices, be it iPad, iPhone or any Android phone. You can transfer files with the upload and download option and many more. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe, share and like our YouTube channel, as we are going to be share such more technical videos on our channel. Thank you.